Welcome to D.Studio. I'm Nova and I'm here to show you how to use D.Studio. For those who may not know what Delaverse Studio is, let me explain. It's a platform where you get access to the world's most powerful AI tools for video and image content creation. You can easily use multiple tools at the same time and bring anything you imagine to life. Alright, let's get started together. First of all, we go to the address below and log in. You can do this easily using your Gmail account. As you can see, the moment you log in, you're welcomed by a powerful, well-designed dashboard that fully guides you and helps you use AI models effortlessly. Now let's take a look at the different sections of the dashboard. In the first section, you'll see 4 cards that show your usage and activity. Card 1 displays your available credit balance. With this button, you can quickly and easily recharge your credits whenever you want. Card 2 shows the total number of your projects, whether they are videos or images. Card 3. Here, you can see how many of your projects are video-based. Card 4. This one shows how many images you've generated so far. Now let's move on to the next section. In this section, each card you see represents a different AI model. With just one click, you can enter any of them quickly and start creating right away. Option 1. Create cinematic quality videos. Option 2. Generate stunning images in seconds using top-tier models. Option 3. Create videos with realistic AI avatars. Option 4. Build avatars using your own photo or ready-made templates. Option 5. Create videos from an image or purely from a text prompt. Option 6. Generate virtually any image you can imagine. Each card includes a short description and a large, eye-catching Start Creating button. With just one click, you're taken directly into the studio for that specific tool, ready to start creating instantly.